Welcome to this tutorial video. Can't find the perfect material in the library? Upload your own. Today, I'll show you how to easily upload custom textures to your project. Let's get started. In the Design tool, click Models on the left navigation bar to enter Uploads part. Click Upload to go to the Upload Textures page. You can hover your mouse above the Supported Format section to see file requirements. Then click Upload Textures. To upload your texture by choosing from your computer, fill in all the required information. Set the category carefully, it may affect the rendering. The measurement unit in Mapping Dimension is matching with what you set in the preference. Please make sure the dimension is aligned with the model measurement. If you need to apply the same texture on different items, please upload few different measurements for same texture. Click Upload Textures. After successful upload, you can drag and use it in the Design tool. That's all, thanks for watching.